Hello and welcome back to the vlog. Today is a Thursday, August 6th. I took the day off because we're gonna go meet your mom Ashley at her pop-up in the Bay Area at Luma Coffee in Redwood City. Super excited. I'm a huge fan of Nami matcha, her YouTube and all of her social media, so super excited to see one of the people that I love and idolize. We're here in Redwood City. Where's the entrance? Does it go all the way around? Oh. We're almost there. This is my new friend Shira.
I got you.
It is 3:47. We just got done. We waited 4 hours in line to meet Amber and Ashley Alexander. It was so exciting. Unfortunately, we didn't get any matcha, but we did get a 20% off to come back next time so we can try the matcha, and they do serve Nami. But yeah, we got pictures. We're super excited. We'll have to upload them here. How you feeling?
Oh my gosh, I met my little idol. And I met star of the day, which is Ashley and Amber, and we got to see Andrew. And this is a photo of Ashley and me.
So cute. Super. Did you get the airdrop?
It was a long wait, but it was worth it. It was really worth it. My legs were cramping already, but I was sleepy in the middle of it. But I was somewhat gonna give up, but nope, I didn't give up. I stood there and waited for Ashley. All right, peace out.
Peace out. All right, time to go eat because we're hungry, and we also have to get some caffeine because we did that all without any matcha, any caffeine. So we'll see Luma next time. But super happy. Yes, we told Amber that we are the beautiful twin sisters, and she agreed, and we're like, no, it's you. But super nice seeing them, and they are super sweet and very kind and so beautiful.
I know they are.
We ordered the fried macaroni and cheese, the sweet corn tamale cakes. We also got the crispy crab bites. These prices during happy hour 4 to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday are half off basically. And we're getting
chicken costoletta. with angel hair pasta extra sauce.
Sub the asparagus for the angel hair pasta. Super excited. Everybody says it's their favorite here. You already know we're so excited for the bread. The brown bread is superior, but unpopular opinion, I actually like the sourdough one, but of course brown bread, elite. Here's our favorite, the macaroni and cheese. Last time we got those crab bites. They are delicious. My favorite is the corn tamales. Yeah, the crab bites, really good. Comes with an aioli tartar. Oh, it's good. Look at this cross section.
Oh, me too.
This is the chicken piccata that we always get. It's my mom's favorite. It's lemony and has capers with angel hair. And here's the chicken costoletta minus the asparagus and sub with this angel hair pasta, and they're on our way with extra sauce. Oh, storage maxed. Oh my goodness. Chicken costoletta the way Christopher Nolan intended. Just kidding. The way TikTok intended for us. Here we go. Your bite, my bite. So good. I would like it with asparagus. This is definitely the big back way, but we're here for a good time.
The chicken, so good, the way I like it.
We got the new cookie dough, or the seasonal cookie dough with pecan cheesecake. Super excited to try. This looks delectable. It actually, like, it fulfills what I'm craving every time I look at the Cold Stone, like, cookie dough cake. You heard it here, her favorite cheesecake. This better not be seasonal. This is actually really good. Actually, I can agree with you on this. Like, no more tiramisu. This one. She just whacked the whipped cream off. She really said, let me get to the good stuff. Okay, so we got the name of this. This is the chocolate chip cookie dough. Wait, actually, let me get it. This is the cookie dough lovers cheesecake.
If you love cookie dough, you will love this. First bite for you. Just kidding. Look at how much we already ate.
Here's my dream Lego set. It's Main Street of Disneyland. $400. Super cute though.
Alright, Shauna, I'm gonna start pushing everything now. So get ready to steal.
Look who's here.
Oh, hey. Hi. Cheers.
All right, we just got home after a long day. We went to H Mart on the way home. So here's our haul.
2 big bags. 2 big bags.
We got some Yakult. They were on sale for $2.99.
We have this corn.
Yummy. Tons of vegetables. This one is long beans. A label. Gyoza pot sticker wrappers. Some eggplant. Napa cabbage. Kimchi. Best flavor.
Udon noodles.
I don't know what this is called, but more green. Mom, what's this called?
Kangkong.
Kangkong. Yeah, we're gonna make sure that we boil this because no diarrhea disease for us, no cyclospora.
Well, you need to be
no.
onigiri.
Yes, I know. We miss Taco Bell so much, but nacho fries don't have any lettuce. We also got some rice paper.
We got 2 mangoes. They were on sale and they're really ripe.
A head of garlic, or heads of garlic, to keep the vampires away.
I got some pork belly, so I'm gonna make kimchi sinigang.
Stay tuned. We got 2 bags of enoki mushrooms, the best. One more. We got hot food. My mom got some sweet potato. Ooh, there's a lot in here. About maybe like 5 or 6 pieces of candied sweet potato. So good. This is always steaming hot right in front. Wait, we'll bring it closer.
Careful, guys.
Thank you so much for watching. We are Nami Matcha's biggest fans, and it was so much fun seeing our idols, Amber and Ashley. Yay!
Thank you guys for watching.
Yay! Like, comment, subscribe. All right, bye!
Bye.